You generally do not need a permit to repair a private driveway with cold tar, but local rules and property arrangements can change that quickly. If your driveway is wholly on private property and does not alter drainage onto public streets, start by confirming property lines so you do not encroach on public right-of-way. Inspect the surface and remove loose debris, vegetation, and oil spots because cold tar bonds best to clean. Dry surfaces, use a stiff broom and a biodegradable degreaser for oily areas. For larger cracks and potholes, square the edges with a chisel so the patch has vertical sides, then compact crushed stone or a firm aggregate base before applying cold tar in thin layers and tamping each layer until level. Always follow the manufacturer instructions for temperature windows and curing times since cold tar products vary and improper application causes early failure. If your driveway affects stormwater flow or drains into public infrastructure, contact your municipal public works or building department for guidance before you begin because they may require a permit or specific mitigation measures. When working near homeowners association common areas, check your association rules and get written approval if the driveway is shared or part of an easement because associations often impose material or appearance standards. Common mistakes include failing to check property boundaries, which can lead to work on public right-of-way and trigger a permit requirement, so verify your deed and consult your municipality if in doubt. Another issue is poor surface preparation, which causes the new tar to delaminate. The fix is thorough cleaning, drying, and proper edge profiling before any product is applied. A third frequent problem is ignoring drainage changes that channel water to neighbors or public drains. Correct this by ensuring the repaired surface maintains original slope and by adding catchment or redirecting flow away from shared infrastructure if needed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with a focus on local projects and practical advice, and we offer a community discussion area where users trade experiences and ask project-specific questions. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work by listing projects, sharing leads, and fostering peer-to-peer support.